Dr. C here. So let's start our experiment. So part one of the procedure says to fill a trough half full of water. So we didn't make a video of us filling a trough with water. So got a bucket, it's got water in it. The second part says here that we want a piece of magnesium ribbon between 0.02 and 0.03. So we're gonna weigh out some magnesium and you wanna write that down. All right, so I got my scale here and I'm gonna get some magnesium here. Let's see. Trying to get a small little piece. All right, got a piece. All right, put my weigh boat on there because I don't want to put any chemicals directly on my balance. Magnesium you could kind of touch, but we don't want to mess it up. Oops. Tear my weigh boat, put my magnesium in there. All right, so write down that number. Kind of fluctuating a little bit due to the air pressure in here. I think that's a good number right there. All right, and then the second part of our lab says that we want to coil the strip as best as you can because it's into like a little small little coil, and we're gonna tie a string around it. So you can kind of see in this picture, coil it up, tie a string on it because we're gonna hang it down into our tube. So this is where it's good for me to be doing this instead of Dr. Hines because I've got little hands and I can kind of coil this up. It doesn't have to be really ideal. The idea is we just don't want the magnesium to fall off of our piece of string. And I also don't want it to break because I just weighed it. So I'm just kind of getting like a little bit of a coil. I'm gonna wrap my string. Where did my piece of string go? Well, I had a piece of string. I lost my piece of string. Where'd it go? I literally had a piece of string. Oh, here it is. It was on my sleeve. So fun times. When I was grabbing the magnesium, my piece of string got me. Okay, so I'm just gonna kind of tie a knot on my magnesium, if this will go through my little coil. Let me make it easier, maybe. This piece of string is, there we go. Trying to give me problems. So, for you guys at home, you don't have to fight with this piece of string. You get to fight with string and you get to get your hands really wet in water. That's the point of today's lab. Not the point, but kind of one of the things you get to do. All right, so piece of magnesium, if you can see that, on my string. So that is the end for this video. The next video, we're gonna get our odometer ready to go.